If you want to search the web using your voice instead of typing in Google Chrome, don't worry. Voice search is one of the easiest and most convenient features available in modern browsers. It allows you to speak your search query out loud and have Google automatically convert your speech into text. This can save time, improve accessibility, and make browsing much more convenient, especially on mobile devices or when you are multitasking. The good news is that enabling and using voice search in Chrome in 2026 is very simple. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to enable voice search in Google Chrome in 2026, step by step, even if you have zero technical knowledge. First, open Google Chrome on your device. Voice search works on both computers and mobile devices, although the exact steps may vary slightly depending on your operating system and Chrome version. Before using voice search, you need to make sure Chrome has permission to access your microphone. Without microphone access, Chrome will not be able to hear your voice commands. On a computer, click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome and open Settings. On the left side, click Privacy and Security, then select Site Settings. Scroll down and click Microphone. Make sure the microphone permission is enabled and that the correct microphone is selected from the available devices. If you use an external microphone, verify that it is connected properly and recognized by your computer. Now, open google.com in Chrome. On the Google homepage or inside the search bar, you should see a microphone icon. Click the microphone icon and Chrome may ask for permission to use your microphone. Click Allow when prompted. Once permission is granted, simply speak your search query clearly. For example, you can say the name of a website, ask a question, search for news, look up directions, or search for information on almost any topic. Google will automatically convert your speech into text and perform the search. Another useful fix is updating Google Chrome. Outdated browser versions may have compatibility issues with microphone permissions or voice features. Click the three dots, go to Help, then select About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates and install them if available. You should also test your microphone in another application if voice search is not working. If the microphone does not work anywhere, the issue may be related to your device settings rather than Chrome itself. For better accuracy, speak clearly and try to use your microphone in a quiet environment. Background noise can sometimes affect speech recognition results. So that's the easiest way to enable voice search in Google Chrome in 2026. The main steps are allowing microphone permissions, selecting the correct microphone, opening Google Search, tapping the microphone icon, and speaking your query clearly. Most users can start using voice search within just a few minutes using these simple methods. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple Chrome tutorials and beginner-friendly tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.